So today we have the Nike Waffle ones. Now this particular one is the black, white, orange and black colorway. Now the reason they added the orange is because of a little orange tab at the bottom of the sneaker. And you can see that right here, there is a Nike swoosh and it says established in 1972. Now this sneaker is different. I mean, people say this is the poor man's Sacai waffles, and I know where they're coming from. There's obviously the resemblance, but I think these are very cool either way. You have the white midsoles, you have the plastic heel clip, you have suede, you have mesh, transparent mesh, you have a little bit of leather. Overall, I think it's a fantastic design by Nike. I really like it. The swoosh itself is leather. You got suede, which almost wraps around the entire sneaker. You got some padding on the sides, which is even visible from the outside. And yeah, I mean, overall, it's just a fantastic design, to be honest. I'm a big fan of it. And yeah, let's carry on with the on feet now. Now, on feet, there's not really much to say about these sneakers other than they're fantastic. They look great. They're very comfortable. They're light. Even the colorways, there's different colorways out now. I've seen the electric green ones, which I'm interested in, and then the summit white with the black, orange, and white. I mean, that's really it, to be honest. For me, these are a very easy 7 out of 10s. And if you're not too sure about them, I would suggest you wait for the sale. I do see them going into the sale very soon because they haven't sold out. All the colorways are still available, all the sizes are still available. So you might be lucky and you might find them very soon in the sales section. So keep an eye out for that, and yeah, I will see you on the next one.